Welcome to Unit 6, Lesson 2, Solving One-Step Equations. Now, you guys started doing one-step equations in 6th grade, so this is going to be a very quick review. So our target statement. Today I will utilize models for one-step equations and apply inverse operations. Why? So that I can solve for the variable. I'll know I have it when I can justify my answer using substitution. A lot of that's going to be explained as we walk through our lesson. Okay, we have our guided notes right here, solving one-step equations. We're going to take our, sorry, you can't see the whole word, but on yours, you'll be able to see the whole word, our word bank here, and we're going to fill in our blanks here in our statement. So in order to solve for an equation, we must, isolate the variable and keep each side of the equation balanced. Remember, when you're moving these words, you want that white kind of plus sign with the arrows. You want to click and hold and then drag with your other finger. Okay, we can use inverse operations to move terms from one side of the equation to the other. Inverse operations can be thought of as the opposite or undoing an operation. Okay, so this is how you're going to place all of your words from your word bank into your statement in order to complete that statement. Now, let's go a little bit further. What operation is taking place is the question you need to ask yourself when looking at an expression or an equation. If it's a adding or plus sign, you're going to do the opposite, which is subtraction or minus. If it's multiplication, you're going to do the opposite, which is division. Again, it also works in the reverse way. If it's a subtraction or a negative, you're going to do a positive or add. If it is dividing, if that's the operation taking place, you're going to multiply. So you're going to ask yourself what operation is taking place, and then the next question, after you identify that operation, what is the inverse or the opposite of that operation? This is how you're going to apply inverse operation.